Everyone, David Coe with the Coe Real Estate Group. I hope you're doing well. I am sitting here on the 1900 block of Pullman Lane. Just a normal quiet day here in Redondo Beach. But on May the 26th, this will be the site of the 15th annual Walt's Pullman Lane Crawfish Boil. Now, if you've never been to the boil before, check out the video after my video here to see a summary of last year's video. And if you have been here before, you know what to expect. Tons of crawfish, great Louisiana food, 2 live bands, a beer garden. We're gonna have a great day from 12 to 6 on Sunday, May the 26th, which is the day before Memorial Day. So there are 2 things that we ask you to bring. Number 1 is some kind of Louisiana dish. This is a potluck. So bring a jambalaya, gumbo, whatever you wanna make, but bring something nice. Just don't stop at Vaughn's on the way. And then number 2, bring a donation for the Redondo Beach Educational Foundation, or RBEF. As we have for the last few years, this will be a fundraising event for Redondo Beach schools. We've raised over $25,000 for the schools in the last few years, and we want to keep that tradition strong this year. So see the link below. We've got an invite with all the information, and I hope to see you on May the 26th. Take care.